everybody, we're out here on the river today. We're going up into what I'm hoping is the clearer of the rivers because of all the rain we've had. We got my brother Antone and then our friend Mike from work. Let's catch some fish. Small mew. You almost grabbed the hooks.
That's all right. I like it.
Oh, okay.
Come on.
Mike with the first fish of the day. Decent little smallmouth. Mike's having issues with his hook over here.
Yeah. You pair of pliers?
He's got them. He pulled them out of nowhere.
I did too, didn't I? Got a hook everywhere.
Yep, this fish is going in the live well. Here, hold on 1 second. Catch the release. There it goes. There's always a fish bite.
Oh, you go.
All right, let's hope it's not going to be a dink fest. But if it is, we're catching fish.
That's right.
So my first one, that's a little baby.
Oh, I just missed one. Oh, I had one. Ah.
A sheephead?
Darn it.
Baby sheephead at that. Not even used to grabbing them this small. These are little guy. This is a little guy. Just a wee little sheephead.
There you go.
What do you guys throw in front of that tree where I just hooked him from? There might be multiples. That's a good one too. I love smallmouth. They're such fun fish. Come here, bud. Thank you.
Nice.
Nice one.
Yep.
Not too shabby.
You gotta take us over by the tree, Joe.
Can I get my fish unhooked? I'm borrowing your pliers.
Yep.
A decent one.
Not bad one, really. When you go in between the island and the no tiny guy. Oh, I forgot your camera's right here.
That's alright. We got a little pooper.
A little bitty?
A little bitty, huh? Heck yeah, we got a monster. I was gonna say, how is there not a fish over there? This might be one of Antone's walleye.
Fighting deep.
Yep, it is too.
Nice.
And it's a keeper.
Nice. Well, bring it over here, I'll grab them.
I got it. You just keep fishing, woman.
Where'd you get that walleye from?
Over there.
It has that soft alligator. Oh, I see now.
Yeah, buddy. A walleye gator. Heck yeah.
Fish on.
Cast over there, Mike.
Okay. Staying deep.
What are you doing here?
Well, the fish was running that way.
Why, you taking around my line here, man? The walleye? Yep, another nice
another
one.
walleye.
All right, so that's perfect. Get over there and catch another one, Mike.
Oh, I left my pliers. You got pliers on you, Joe? Or Mike? Oh, I think I'm behind you.
Show it to the camera.
Heck yeah.
Another keeper.
Another keeper eye.
Yes, sir.
And you are hooking me up right now because I control. Oh, you stop.
My
What
good.
was that, Joe?
Oh, it's a big smallmouth.
What now? Why?
I dare you.
No, why?
Because it went Virginia creeper and poison ivy up there.
See how he wants to hurt me?
Hey.
There's Antone's perch. No, it's a walleye.
Ooh, walleye.
We're gonna count this as a perch, so you can take it home.
Yes.
Little baby walleye gator. No man, he was out of here.
I just missed a big bite over there.
And Antone, you gotta quit doing that, man.
Well, I had a bug land on my nose, so I let go of my pole to shoo the bug off, and as soon as I let go and I stopped reeling, my pole got slammed.
Heck yeah, another small mew.
All right, Mike, we got to get in the game.
I see that. I ain't got to spend a minute. I might have to change this
Another
over.
decent
Try using
smallmouth.
something shiny.
Huh?
Try using a white shiny. You're
Okay.
using.
This is that gold, fool's gold, man. Don't talk about it. It's my favorite.
No, keep throwing fool's gold.
It's my favorite lure.
Full black and gold is a great color in the river. Oh, another one.
The reason I was saying.
Antone's playing with the fish.
Oh, he's.
Oh yeah, look at that. Decent one. Let me see your box when you. Oh, you gotta wait for him to get out the way, huh?
Yeah, he's. Sorry, Mike.
No, you're good. You're good. Gives me a chance to.
Antone. Decent little smallie. Go ahead and release her. We got her. Beautiful.
I heard that.
Oh, you know what? Maybe that's my live well running.
Well, your live well was running. There's a truck right there too.
This guy, he says. Another small mew.
Fish just surfaced over there. Right in the middle of the river.
Oh, carp bite.
Nowhere near.
That ain't gonna do it. I never said I was accurate.
Did you see what it was?
Uh-uh.
That's a big old carp. Hey, it's a largemouth. Get up in the boat, you only got one hook in you. Thank you, bud. Little largemouth. Decent one. Settle down, broski. Another one. I gotta show my camera. Even though there's a fish, Mike, cast over there where you seen that fish bite.
Where at?
Where you seen me miss it at? Antone's got a smallmouth hooked up.
Yes, I do.
Oh, I thought it was bigger than that. What are you catching? These are baby fishes. Just kidding. Still a. Oh, he's getting hooked. Yep. There goes Antone's fingers.
Got him in the boat.
Show him, Antone.
I will. Just give me a minute.
Get them hooks out. Let's see that fishy. Look at that. Nice small mouth. Heck yeah, Antone. Let her go.
Thank you, thank you.
I was gonna say I seen that one come over and eat it. This is what I mean by keeping my rod tip down. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
It's a large mute.
We're in with Joe too.
No, it's a small mute.
When we're casting like 30, 40 feet, we're really thinking we're doing good. And then Joe will cast. And,
Halfway down the river.
yep.
Oh, you're a decent one, man. Come here. Let me give you a high five. Come on, man. Oh yeah. We got him. Woo! Put your rod tip down. Put your rod tip down. Nope, nope. Keep it tight when he jumps like that. We're not losing this one.
That's a nice.
Bring him here. Okay, he's bringing him into the boat. Good job. You gotta show that one on the camera.
Oh boy. Oh, hey, let's settle down there, Charlie Brown.
Yeah, that's a good size one there.
Yeah, it's a decent one.
Yeah. Nicely done, Mike. Nicely done.
Oh, he almost died today. Come on now. Why do I always get the hook?
Hey, you know you weren't losing them,
Yeah.
even though you're gonna kill them by squishing them. Poor guy.
Hey, listen here.
I'm just giving you a hard time. Whoa. Now that's
Look
a
at
snag. Show them to the camera.
There you go. Nice one.
Gator. And it's a keeper. Get it in the boat.
Ooh, buddy. All right, now get the walleye.
Woo! Poor Antone.
Joe just hooked me right in the testicles. I think that's a keeper, Joe.
It's close. We're gonna measure him.
In this tree, that's why I got a bite.
Walleye! Hurry! Don't horse it! That's a good one. Yeah. Now that should be a keeper.
They were right behind you. Here's some.
Those need.
Mine are on top of the cooler there.
Yeah, I see him.
Oh yeah, Mike.
Hold on. Oh, you got it. Mike's walleye. That should be a keeper. Did you lose him? No? Okay, good. I heard you go, oh. I'm not even gonna get the fight on camera. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's a hog. Don't lift him. Don't do that.
Oh!
Snapped it
Get
onto the boat.
Get him, get him, get him, get him! He's got my lure, damn it! Oh, I'm sorry, I cussed.
You're good.
I don't know if you noticed, I've been cussing.
What is that, a largemouth?
Smallmouth.
Holy smokums. I gotta set my pole down. Oh.
You're gonna get a picture, but I gotta get this on the camera. You never want to lift those with. Look at that. Mike's got himself a nice smallmouth.
Got me a nice little smallmouth here.
Nice little smallmouth.
This side since you got to go over here.
Got one?
I had it.
I got one.
Had a bite. Stay over here, Anthony.
Anton, you're in
I
front
can
of
stay
my
in the middle
camera,
of the
bud.
back right here.
Okay.
You hear me, Anton?
What?
You're in front of my camera.
Alright.
Oh, that's a decent one. That's a decent one. He
I just hooked a fish and I wasn't even trying. I was moving. It's a walleye.
It's a baby walleye.
Oh, he popped the hook. He's off.
He's out of here.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'm gonna go back over to that side. See if
Decent
I
one.
can't get me another one of them.
Big walleye. Big walleye.
You got one?
Oh yeah, big one. Oh, it's not as big as I thought, but it's a good one.
Josephine got me another alligator.
Anthony ain't going to bed until 3 in the morning.
Clean fish.
Nice.
Yeah. Where are you casting for him?
On the shore?
Up over here?
Yeah. Alright, there's another one. How about this side? He done crushed it like it was his last meal, because it was. Huh?
I don't think he actually knew that.
No, he didn't know that, but he does now. So we all got 2 keepers in the boat.
Yep.
Me and Mike got the 2 biggest. Anton's got the 2 smallest. See how I did that, Mike?
Yes, sir. I just like the fact that I caught another fish to not realize how many I got.
That was rude.
Yeah, I have no idea how to get across. I'm in the team somewhere.
That's good.
Another one.
Another walleye?
Yep.
No, that one's
That's a keeper too.
I don't know about that. That one's awful small. Maybe he's got something going on his head.
You don't think that's a 15-incher?
I don't think so. Grab you the measuring stick here. That sure don't look like 15 inches.
You don't know, I ain't worried about it. God dang. What are you doing, man?
Well, here.
I need pliers. We got some I need the pliers here. I got some technical difficulties going on.
Uh-oh.
Hold them just like that and we'll get a measurement.
He almost hooked my booby.
liking the more aggressive speeds today.
Oh, wait, not a keeper. There you go. You put that stuff. You put that thing back down there. Yeah. I like how the wind was pushing us back that way when I was on the trolling motors. Oh, another one. I think it's another walleye too. Oh, baby smallmouth. Another one. Just a wee little lad. Oh, it's a dogfish. I thought it was a big walleye. I got excited. That's another monster.
That's a big one.
I seen the big long body and I got all excited. This one I think is bigger than that one.
I want to see this thing. I've never seen one up close in person. Justin brought that one in. He flipped it up on shore and let it flop and it broke his line and he was like, yeah, it's better that way.
Nice dogfish. Another one.
Smallmouth?
Nope, largemouth.
Largemouth?
Yep.
That's a good one.
Yeah, that's a real nice one. But, settle down, settle down. Just want a quick look at you, and if Mike or Anton don't mind taking a quick picture of me with you.
Oh no, my phone's down there. Yeah, so fine.
Fish are chasing back there, Anton. Heck yeah. Decent largemouth. Thank you, bud.
Got me another nice largemouth. Not huge.
Another one. Mike's got another one.
A little bitty. I think you got off.
I got a walligator, a keeper walligator.
Do you really?
Yep.
Yeah, I got off. He got off on me. He was just a little thing.
It sounded like a decent one. Or am I hearing things?
Just a little thing.
Oh, you got one now though.
Anton. Another one.
Nice.
Adding,
7.
adding to Anton's dinner. Oh yeah.
A little bitty.
I'm gonna be playing fish forever.
You're welcome.
Shit, Mike, it was looking bad for me and you at first. Then you got a lot
Another
better,
keeper
that's for sure.
walleye for us. Had another fish flopping in the boat. I was gonna say, where'd that one come from?
Good?
Yep.
I'm gonna set him back out there.
Another one.
Good times.
There's another walleye.
I'm pretty good right here. Another
Nope,
walleye?
smallmouth.
The way it was yanking down, I thought you had a walleye.
Yep, because it never came up. Thought for sure I had a walligator. Alright, bud, let's make this quick, fast, and in a hurry. So I can get back to fish on.
How Joe flips the fish into the boat, Mike? It's because he's using like 20-pound test.
Heck, I'm not really getting the bites like I was a while back there. I was one right after another. There's another one.
I'll try a different color real quick. Smoke good luck stogie for this switch up.
Holy cow. Don't break my rock, bro. You're not even that big.
Jeez, oh Pete, man, that thing got me in my back pretty good.
Oh, he was a little better than I thought he was. He definitely was a pounder. Heck yeah, another one. Hey everyone, just got back from the river. Today was actually a really good day. We didn't catch a bunch of like big smallmouth, but we caught quite a few smallmouth. Our friend Mike from work caught a 3-pound smallie. I lost like 3.5 pound largemouth at the boat, which that was my own stupidity, but it happens. I just wanted to give you a rundown of the rod and reel that I caught majority or all of my fish but one on. I'm not even going to show you the one. I'll just tell you I caught the one smallmouth on the Berkeley Cane Walker 110 in the matte finish shad. But I caught most or all of my fish on this rod and reel here. This is the Abu Garcia Veritas winch series rod. It's a 7-foot medium paired up with the Abu Garcia Revo STX 6:6 to 1 gear ratio reel, and I'm running straight 10-pound Berkeley Vanish fluorocarbon. And the bait of choice today was the Berkeley Fritz Side size 5 in Sexy Shad. As you can see, all the hook rash and teeth marks and everything from today. This was basically a brand new bait. I've only used this bait a couple times. Granted, I have caught fish on it already previously, and there was already a little bit of wear and tear, but I really put some wear and tear on it today. It was just one of those days on the river. It was fun. We caught a ton of fish. I think the boat, all in all, we pulled in roughly probably almost 100 fish, if not a little over 100 fish between the three of us, because I myself caught 25 bass, about 12 walleye, 1 sheephead, and 1 dogfish, or bowfin, as some people may call them. But it was a good day today. We had lots of fun, and I can't wait to be out on the water. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next video.